BS, dog. I'm annoyed. Are you serious right now? This is a joke. This is a joke. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna be doing today is testing out a new magnetic lashes from ARDELL. The reason why I actually picked this up was because I was shopping for eyelash glue, and I have really bad allergies. So a lot of eyelash glue doesn't actually work well with my, I guess, my eyelashes. Well, actually, when I put on eyelash glue, even if I let it dry, I apply it, and it still gives, like, it tingles, and then I start sneezing and I start everything, and then even like this, my whole face starts to swell up, like under my eyes starts to swell up and everything. So, you know, I was just, you know, I've decided, you know what, I'm gonna just go and make sure that the eyelash glue that I get is, you know, Hypo-Allergenic, and make sure that it's not something that, you know, will irritate me. I used to just stick it through and be like, all right, it'll be over in like 5 minutes, I'll be fine. This swelling will go away. But I'm not about that life anymore. I'm getting older, and I'm not trying to lose this eye, or these eyes, I should say. Anyways, so this magnetic lash I found, and I was like, ooh, let me try it out. So it comes with a magnetic applicator. So on the back it shows the instructions. I thought this was like 2 sets of eyelashes, but it's not. It's just the top and bottom, not top and bottom, but like top of your eyelash and the bottom. So I guess the magnets are, yeah, you can see it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 magnet strips that are connected to the lashes. So you have one that goes on the bottom, and then I guess it connects to the top one, and it's like, I guess that's how it, you know, connects with clips. And you use the applicator to do it. So you put the bottom one on the bottom part of the applicator and the top one on the top part of the applicator, and you'll see the steps here. It looks pretty simple, but you know me. Y'all know me. We're gonna try it out, and then yeah, see how comfortable it is. And I'm gonna do a test run for the day. So go outside, whatever, run my errands, and come back and let you guys know how it was. So just give me a minute. I'm going to put my makeup on, and then we'll get back on camera and we'll apply these so we can see how easy or how difficult it is to put these on. Okay, guys? Be back in a flash. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and test out the eyelashes. I didn't put on any mascara because I didn't read the box before I started doing my makeup. I don't know if you're supposed to have anything on your lash, or if it's supposed to be bare lash. It doesn't. I went ahead and I read it. It doesn't say anything about having a bare lash. So I am gonna go ahead and add some mascara, and then I'm gonna get really close, up close and personal, and then we're going to attempt the application of the magnetic lashes. So excited! Just going to attach it here. There is a black magnetic strip on the, oh look, that's cute. It just attached, okay? So now let's attempt to do the bottom one, okay? I'm not understanding how this one works. Let me look at the picture, because the magnetic strip is on this end. So, okay, so with the top one, there was a black strip, so you could see obviously where to put it. But with this bottom one, there's no black strip. And I just tried to do it, and the top and the bottom just connected, and I had to pretty much start over. So let's see what happens. Let me take a look at the picture, and then just to make sure I'm doing this correctly. I think mine's is broken. There is supposed to be a magnetic strip there. Oh, of course, I got a broken one. Yeah, of course I would. Of course, it would be me to get a broken one. Okay, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get this to work without it. Now I gotta go back to freaking stupid store. Okay, this is it. So there's supposed to be a black strip there, another magnetic strip that's supposed to keep this one in place, but there is none. And so because of that, I actually don't know what to do now. It would be virtually impossible to get this done like this because I knew something was wrong. So I'm just gonna do that and then do this. Nah, I'm not even gonna waste my time. We're gonna have to continue this. I'll be back, guys. Ridiculous. All right, guys, so take two. I ended up actually having to go back to the store and get another set because when you receive yours, it should have two of the black bands, one on that side and one on that side. One on that side and one on that side, okay? So there should be two. That way you can have your, it's supposed to attach the bottom one here and the top one here. So yeah, I had to go back. But okay, let's go on with the application. Also, it's nighttime now. When I started recording this, it was like in a daytime, like it was like probably like 10 o'clock in the morning, and now it's 9:33 at night. So yeah. Okay, let's do it though. So it has the upper wispies and then the lower ones. That's what it says? Oh, it says upper and under, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. We're going to take the upper one and we're gonna put it on the top portion, and the under one is gonna go on the bottom. That's right, yeah. See how it's like struggling? Okay, I'm doing this wrong. Okay, there you go. That's why. I had to flip it around. There you go. Right? And then let's do the bottom one. That's the top one, we'll do the bottom one next. The bottom one. Oops. Be careful because they're drawn to each other. Obviously, they're magnets. So. This is so freaking cool. So I'm just gonna bring this down because I think I have it placed on wrong. No! All right. I think if you're not if you're not challenged like I am, then you should have no problem doing this. It's just these magnets are strong. Okay. No, please. Okay, I just wanted to get them on there perfect. So now we got them on there. Yay! And now it's time to attach, okay? Let's do the attachment. I'm terrified right now, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so scared. Okay. All right, hold on. Let's do this again. Okay. All right, ready? Okay, let's hold this down. All right. Okay, hold on. No bueno. All right, let's try this again because that was a fail. But essentially, this is how it's supposed to look. So I'm gonna try to do this off camera because this is how it's supposed to look one day when it attached. I'm gonna try to do this off camera because this is actually really hard, harder than I thought it would be. It might be easy for some of you guys, but okay. So give me a minute and I will get this on and I'll come right back on, guys. All right. So it's done, guys. When I tell you, I think that was the most nerve-wracking experience that I've had in a long time. It took 30 minutes. Now this eye took 5 minutes. This one, This one took 25 minutes. I even got up and had to go to my bathroom. I was like, this is ridiculous. I had to get up, go to my bathroom, and yet and still, they are not perfect. Like, so I will say this. They sound like the best eye gel in the world, but when you think about it, really think about it, really think about it, you realize that magnets actually, they can't control themselves. And so the only, like, applying eyelash is a control type of game type thing. So you have to have full control of your hand in order to apply the eyelashes and the tweezers and the eyelash. Put the eyelash on and you can adjust it to where it needs to be. With these eyelashes, unfortunately, you cannot do that because once you have them close to your eye, they're gonna attract to each other. So if you have them too close and you're not ready to attach them, they will attach and you're gonna have to start over. So this is like, you really have to be like careful when you're doing it. You have to take your time. You have to be able to actually see where you're doing it, because there was a point where I was doing this side and it was attaching, and then this side would be like loose, hanging out, or this side would be attached, and you know, or this side would be, the middle would be attached, the front would be attached, and then the back would be like, So what I decided to do was I got up and I went to my bathroom mirror and I was able to attach this side first, and then I went, because once this side connects, the rest, and you turn it and you get, it was just a hot mess. I just, honestly, I would not, I'm gonna say this only because of the time, and maybe if I do it more often, then I'll get, you know, it probably won't take that long. I'll figure out how to do it, but I will say I would not recommend this unless you cannot find any eyelash glue that you are not allergic to. Then, okay, let me rephrase that. If you are allergic to every single eyelash glue in this world, then I would say go ahead and get this. If you are not, don't get this. And if you got time, go ahead, feel free, get this. But if you don't got time, don't get this. It's a lot of work. Anyways, this is the final look of how it actually looks when I got it on. And the style here is wispy. And I'm gonna say it looks good, but yet they're not even attached on properly, or how I would like to have my lashes attached. So, I mean, I'm gonna give you guys a close up so you can see how it really looks. But, I mean, from far away, it doesn't look bad, I don't think. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this part right here is hanging off just a little. It does look good though. You see it? You can see it now, right? And then this one, it looks very natural. That's what I will say. This eyelash here, it hangs off in the front a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, so here's the top look, top view, I guess. It's hanging off a little bit here, but it's comfortable. I mean, I will say that it is comfortable. It wasn't easy to get on, but it looks good too. So it's not a complete fail. It took a long time, but it's not a complete fail. All right, guys, so that is it. That is all I have for you guys today. Let me know what you guys thought. If there's anything else that you guys would like for me to try out, please put that in the comment section below. If you've had success with these Ardell magnet lashes, let me know. Maybe I did something wrong. I'm not sure. This is my first time using them, but it was not easy to say the least. However, I will say they do look really nice. They look nice. If you can get them to look, if you can get them attached on better than I did, then you would. It's worth it, honestly and truly. And if you're really allergic to eyelash glue, it's also worth it. There's no mess, there's none of that, and you can take it off and you reuse it. I don't know how many times you can reuse it, but I had to take it off a few times already, and the magnet was still working. So I don't think that's an issue, like as far as reusability, if that's a word. Anyways, guys, it's been a pleasure. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video, guys. Share the video. Oh yeah, don't forget to check out my other videos. I'm gonna link some down below so you guys can check those out as well, okay? And social media, I have my social media somewhere around here. It will be here somewhere. You guys can follow me on all platforms if you like, and let's be friends. Let's be friends. Let's be friends. Okay. Anyways, guys, I think I've done enough talking. I don't even know what to say at this point because I said so much. I'm just running my mouth at this point. But y'all like to hear me talk, don't y'all? No, I'm kidding. All right, guys. See you next time here at the coast.